How to remove Snapchat media upload problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with Snapchat's media upload problem? Don't worry, I have got the fix. Here's how to remove or hide this issue in 2024. So let's get started. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it improves. A weak connection is often the main culprit for upload videos. Next, make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search Snapchat and hit update if it's available. Updates often fix bugs like this. Next, clear cache. Open your Snapchat and go to settings. Scroll down to clear cache and tap it and hit clear all. This won't delete your data but can resolve upload glitches. Next, check storage and media files. Make sure your phone has enough storage space. Full storage can block uploads. Also verify that your media files are in corrupted or unsupported formats. Rename the file or re-export it if needed. Next, reinstall Snapchat. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This resets the app and removes deeper issues. Just make sure to log back in with your credentials. And there you have it. Simple fixes to solve the media upload problem in 2024. If this video helped you, please drop a comment below. Like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.